Hi there, we've just got down to Te Anau and we're about to catch this boat to go to the Kepler Trail. We're going hiking with Tom and Felicity, Ben, Sarah, Sophie and Fifi. It's going to be good times.
A monastic life built on postcards, bribes, and lots of friends to share it. You got a lot to say for yourself, but I don't really want to hear it. Flex yourself and muscle me in, like when it's together. It's a comforting thing, but it's not. Well, I don't know the physics of the affair, or if I even need it, but I can't blame her for looming that way. You always go for what you wanted. Rip up her skin and turn and tell me she is ugly beneath it. Well, that's funny cause I thought you were friends, but you really mean it. Bless thyself and muscle me in, like we're in this together. It's a comforting thing, but it's not. No, it's not. It's not. No, it's not.
Make sure you use it all the stuff you done.
Whoa bro, just chilling out beside a beautiful river. So quiet, so relaxed. No phone reception, no computers. This is nice. Finally made it to the lake. Chilling hard. It's been a long day actually. You guys gonna go for a swim?